Hi everybody, I'm Travis with Lansing Automart and Lansing Motorsports. You can find us online at lansingautomart.org and facebook.com/lansingautomart. We are really excited to show you our new Massimo T Boss 550F that we've added both a soft enclosure to fully enclose the cab, as well as a heater kit. We had a customer special order this unit and we're really pleased with how it turned out. So I just wanted to show you the actual enclosure and heater itself and how it works. This is the factory soft enclosure that you can buy from Massimo, with one big difference. If you buy it from us, we actually have our tech install these snaps, which just give it a lot better fit than they come with factory. So basically all you have to do to open it is unzip it. You unzip this door section, and then you can reach in, just move the door out of the way, pull open the door handle, and you can easily enter the cab. These straps right here come with hooks from Massimo. We also installed snaps on those to keep them in place. So once you're inside the machine, all you do is zip it up. It might be kind of hard for me to do one-handed. This is what it looks like closed. It has a zipper on the inside and outside, so it's really easy to get in and out of. These are the straps that we've installed snaps on so that they stay in place. When you're not using it, you don't have to totally uninstall it. You can just unzip the entire door. You can unsnap these and you can roll the whole door up. So basically you would just roll it until you put it up here, and these straps would hold it up out of your way so you would have airflow and you wouldn't have to take the entire enclosure off. I'm going to go ahead and start up the unit so you can see the heater working. In a previous video I said you could start these in any gear as long as your foot was on the brake. That was true on 2022 and older T Boss 550s. The 2023s are starting to come in with a neutral safety switch. So you'll turn your key to the on position, you'll still wait for the gauges to cycle, and once they're at 0 you can start it. Just push your foot on the brake and make sure you are in neutral. If it's one of the newer ones, it won't start in gear. I've already ran this one. I actually drove it around for a little while to got the temperature up to the middle. When it's cold, the heater's not going to work. You're going to want to get it warmed up. I'd get it up to operating temperature and drive it around a little bit. It'll warm up faster that way. It's got these little vents. You can turn them and point them wherever you'd like. Then you've got the fan control, 1, 2, or 3. It puts out a decent amount even on 1, but gets pretty strong on number 3 there. And then this is your temperature control. So this is as cool as it goes, and that'll be as warm as it goes. It's still pretty warm right now, but definitely as you get moving, it'll warm up even more. So it's a nice little heater that we install, and a really nice soft enclosure, especially if you have us install it where we put on the snaps that make it fit even better. Thanks for watching my video. Again, you can find us at lansingautomart.org, facebook.com/lansingautomart. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video so we can get more content out like this. If you subscribe, you'll be the first to know when we get new models in as well. Thanks.